Hi everybody, this is George again. This is the start of another series of short videos called A-Dorian. Of course I will continue the Blues in G series as well, so stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button and please support my channel by writing a little comment and giving me the thumbs up. A-Dorian is one of the 7 modes one finds on the major scale. I prefer to think of Dorian than the name of a particular sound. The sound one gets when the second note of the major scale is the root. So this is the G major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G again. The second note of the G major scale is A. So let's make A the root, and what we hear is the sound of A-Dorian. And this is what it sounds like. Check out my other videos too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.